In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of an image in Adobe Illustrator quickly and easily. This is a really useful technique if you're working with logos, icons, illustrations, or any graphic where you want to quickly experiment with different color styles. Instead of manually repainting everything, Illustrator has a built-in tool that lets you convert an image into vector shapes and recolor it in just a few clicks. The best part is that once the image becomes vector artwork, you can change the colors anytime you want without losing quality. So whether you're creating social media graphics, branding assets, or design mockups, this trick can save you a lot of time. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can follow along even if you're completely new to Illustrator. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful design tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first thing we need to do is place the image inside Illustrator. To do that, go to the top menu and click on File, then select Place. A file browser window will open where you can choose the image you want to work with. This can be a PNG, a JPEG, or another image format. Select your file and click Place. Now click anywhere on your artboard to insert the image, or click and drag if you want to control the size while placing it. Once the image appears on the artboard, you can resize it using the corner handles if needed. At this stage, the image is still a regular raster image, which means the colors can't be edited directly inside Illustrator yet. That's why the next step is very important. Next, we're going to convert the image into vector artwork using the Image Trace feature. First, click on the image so it becomes selected. When the image is selected, look at the top control panel in Illustrator, and you'll see a button labeled Image Trace. Go ahead and click that. Illustrator will automatically begin tracing the image and converting it into vector shapes. You'll also see several preset options you can use depending on the type of image you're working with. For example, you can choose high color if your image has lots of color variation, or low color if you want a simpler color palette. Trying different presets can give you different results, so feel free to experiment and see which one looks best for your design. The goal here is to convert the pixels into editable vector shapes so we can recolor them easily. Once you're happy with how the traced image looks, the next step is to expand it. With the traced image still selected, go up to the top toolbar and click the Expand button. What this does is turn the traced result into actual vector paths and shapes. In other words, the image is no longer a single object. It becomes a group of colored vector pieces that Illustrator can edit individually. This step is important because it unlocks the full editing capability of Illustrator. After expanding, you now have a fully vectorized version of your image, which means you can recolor it, modify shapes, and scale it without losing quality. Now let's change the colors. With the artwork selected, go to the top toolbar and click the Recolor artwork icon. It looks like a small color wheel. When you click it, Illustrator opens the Recolor panel where you can adjust and replace the colors used in the artwork. From here, you can drag colors around, assign new colors, apply color themes, or completely remap the palette of the image. This makes it incredibly fast to test different color combinations. For example, you can transform a multicolor illustration into a monochrome style, apply brand colors, or create several variations of the same design in seconds. And that's how you change the color of an image in Adobe Illustrator. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future Illustrator tips and design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.